Many of today's modern manufacturing processes require the use of localized heat. Efficient, precise, responsive heat. The kind of heat best provided by cartridge heaters. And today there is a cartridge heater whose performance puts it in a class by itself. A cartridge heater that uses a revolutionary design to provide higher operating temperatures, better heat transfer, greater reliability, longer life, and easier removal from the bore. The Watt-Flex Cartridge Heater. The effectiveness of a cartridge heater is based on its ability to provide three things. Maximum dielectric strength, to keep the current in the coil where it belongs. Maximum heat transfer from the coil to the sheath on the outside of the heater. And maximum heat transfer from the sheath to the host metal. The Watt-Flex cartridge heater outperforms conventional cartridge heaters on every count. The advantages offered by the Watt-Flex heater are the direct result of its unique design. Let's compare the Watt-Flex with the conventional cartridge heater. To begin with, the Watt-Flex heater uses one continuous resistance coil, regardless of the length of the heater. A conventional cartridge heater consists of segments of resistance coil wound around a ceramic core, surrounded by dielectric and encased in a metal sheath. The continuous coil in the Watt-Flex heater means that there are never any cold spots, as there are at segment junctions in conventional heaters. Made of the best quality resistance wire available, the Watt-Flex coil always provides the most even distribution of heat possible. In addition, the core dielectric of the Watt-Flex heater is pure high-grade magnesium oxide. This magnesium oxide is compacted to near its theoretical maximum density to optimize its dielectric properties and to provide maximum heat transfer from the coil to the sheath. It's possible to attain a more uniform degree of compaction in the Watt-Flex heater as compared to conventional cartridge heaters because the Watt-Flex heater doesn't have a ceramic core that can crack during the compaction process, which may lead to premature heater failure. The higher degree of compaction and resulting maximum heat transfer to the sheath mean longer life for the coil. But the advantages of the Watt-Flex heater go even further. The unique split-sheath design results from the fact that each cartridge heater is formed by folding the unit back on itself and swaging it into its final shape. This split-sheath design provides some very real benefits. When energized, the heater expands to provide optimum contact with the walls of the bore. This means maximum heat transfer from the sheath of the heater to the host metal. Conventional cartridge heaters don't contact the walls of the bore evenly. The tolerances necessary for inserting the heater prevent full contact with the bore. This results in uneven heating and shorter heater life. The maximized heat transfer characteristics of the split-sheath Watt-Flex heater mean that the coil can run cooler. Cooler running coils are more efficient, and they last longer. In fact, the Watt-Flex heater provides significantly higher warrantable watt density than any other cartridge heater, with a much more even temperature profile than conventional heaters. Another significant advantage of the Watt-Flex heater's split-sheath design is the fact that when it's de-energized, it contracts. Therefore, removal of the heater is easy. With conventional designs, the uneven heating frequently results in warpage of the cartridge, so the unit has to be drilled out, an expensive and time-consuming procedure that causes unnecessary downtime and may even damage the bore. The Watt-Flex heater is the only cartridge heater that is warranted removable from bores. And remember, Watt-Flex heaters are especially effective when using cartridge heaters in oversized bores, since the heater expands to provide contact with the walls of the bore. Because of its unique design, the Watt-Flex cartridge heater is the only heater that provides the option of a hot tip. Its single continuous coil passes through the tip, so it's possible to provide a hot tip, which is ideally suited for use with gate probes and injection molding equipment. The Watt-Flex cartridge heater can also be designed with a cool tip for use in open or through bores. Indeed, the Watt-Flex heater can be zoned to provide customized wattage distribution over its entire length to meet the specific needs of any application. And when it comes to including an optional thermocouple with a cartridge heater, the Watt-Flex design again provides distinct benefits. A groove along the sheath accepts a needle-type thermocouple, which senses temperature right where it should, at the point of contact between the cartridge heater and the host metal. While conventional designs are forced to sense temperatures inside the heater, the Watt-Flex approach provides much more accurate temperature sensing and control. Additionally, this means that either the thermocouple or the cartridge heater can be replaced independently. Watt-Flex also offers a wide variety of termination methods: straight or right angle headers, stainless steel braid or stainless steel hose, stainless steel flanges, potting as a contaminant barrier, threaded post terminals, special sleeving designs, high temperature lead wire, or extra length leads. And the engineers will be happy to look at special requirements or difficult applications. The Watt-Flex cartridge heater, better because of its advanced design. A single continuous resistance coil for a more even temperature profile. Superior magnesium oxide compaction for a more efficient coil and longer life. A unique expandable split sheath design for optimum heat transfer. For use in oversized bores. And for contraction when de-energized for easy removal from the bore. And the availability of a hot tip for localized heat. The Watt-Flex cartridge heater. More efficient, longer life, warranted removability. A company with over 60 years of experience in high-performance heating.